Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beats videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that red button down below. Click it, hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Yeah, so guys, today's Monday. We're starting off the week good. We're trying to vlog, guys. I haven't vlogged in like a while. I think I vlogged last week Thursday, which you guys will see that video before this one. So yeah, but I'm currently in class. I'm waiting on my students to finish their work. But I decided to start my vlog. I'm currently watching my sister's vlog as well, so if you guys haven't watched that, I'll link her video or channel in the description down below. Right now I'm not even using the camera. I'm using my Alright, everybody's finished. Everybody's finished?
Yes, miss.
Alright guys, I'm gonna have class and then I'll get back to you. Alright, I think I was telling you guys that I am vlogging on my dad's old iPhone. Because I don't know what's wrong with my editor on my computer. So I have to be vlogging. I want to just vlog on this for now until I sort that out, because my birthday videos, like what I got for my birthday video, I'm gonna have to refilm, I think. Yeah, so that is corrupt. There's something in it that's corrupt. Like, I was editing it and I was literally I was done editing and I was just watching it over to make sure that there's nothing in it that I didn't want, and it was just good, and just adding in like overlays and such like that. And it reached a point in the video, and I mean not even like the last part, it was like a good part like in the middle that is like I was just stuck in like a frame, and I think that part of it was even cut out. I don't remember keeping that part, so that part was cut out, and all I was doing was seeing that part, just me, like I was fixing the camera actually in that part of it, and I was talking in the background, so the video was actually going on but it wasn't showing it. I don't know how to explain it, but I was really just discouraged, and I'm like, all that work just gone down the drain. So I need to sort that out. I might end up getting like a different editor. I don't know, editing software. I'm talking like somebody edits for me. But anyways, don't mind my hair, guys. I'm gonna wash this today because I'm going out Thursday, so I am gonna do my hair. So don't mind it, at all. So yes, that is what's going on right now. Yeah, I just finished my class and I have a next one in like 16 to something thereabouts. Guys, you can realize my skin is really broken out. I don't know what's happening, but I'ma lay off the Cetaphil for now, probably forever. I'm just gonna finish, like I have a little bottle of Cetaphil that's left, and I have the moisturizer, and then I'm not gonna go, probably I'm gonna go later on in this month. I'm gonna go to a dermatologist and go for my skin. I have this, my face and my hair. There's some things in my hair that I need to sort out. I also have like acne on my back, so I need to also sort that out. And things are just happening to my skin that I have no idea what's going on. Like my lip, if you guys realize there's like a black thing on my lip, I don't know what's wrong with it. It happened the last time I went to a hotel and got sunburnt, and I think when I looked on the internet they say that you can get black lips from sunburn, but this part is just like right here and it feels stiff, like I don't know, it just feels weird. And yeah, it just feels weird. But anyways, so yeah, all of those things just telling me to go to the dermo. So I'm gonna go to the dermo and just finally take care of my skin and stop guessing at what works, and see if the doctors, the professionals, can help me out. So yes, that's gonna happen further on in this month, hopefully. Hopefully I can carry you guys along, and then just carry along my skincare journey. I don't know, but for now, I saw something about some Dove thing that you can use, Dove bar soap, which I use on my skin, which is good for my sensitive skin. So I'm gonna try that on my face and see how that works. But I'm only gonna use like the original one. I don't know, but I'm gonna start it like this week. So yeah, so hopefully that works. But yes, I'm gonna finish setting up my class, which is in 50 minutes because it's now 9. So I'll see you guys later.
I've been wanting something from you.
I kind of set up all of my classes Saturday night. I set up all of them for because we're going on midterm break, right? So it's the last on Wednesday, so I have only 3 days of class, so I ended up setting up all of them so I don't have to do it. But today, what I have planned for today, I have to wash my hair. I also have to do lesson plans for the next fortnight, and I also have to set the midterm tests for when we get back from break. So I have quite a lot to do, and I have my videos to edit. That is why I haven't been doing YouTube that often, because this year, the school year has been not as fun as last year, because last year our school decided to use like what do we call that, remote lesson, a remote like timetable, that we didn't have so many sessions of classes. So I had like say for per day we'd have like one class for like 3 hours, so it wouldn't be so hectic. But this year, I think I showed you guys my timetable. I have like the most 4 classes per day and the least like 3. Yeah, so we have class like each hour and so I don't have that much free time, and the free time I get, I use it to like prepare for the next classes and such like that. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous for December, because last year I was able to do vlogmas because I had that time, and this was my first year actually doing vlogmas every day. Like, I was proud, I was happy for that, because every other year it would have been hard because of my internet, and my internet kept last year, so I was happy for that. But this year I think it's gonna be something else that's gonna hinder me, like time. I don't know if I have time, but I'm gonna do it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do vlogmas. I might still do it, but yeah. So yes. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna have something to eat because me hungry. I want to eat breakfast yet, and it's like 9:04, so I'm gonna get something to eat. You know, I always look at something, guys. I'm gonna try it. Anytime I hold up the camera, there it is. Like, what is that? Does that do anything? I don't know. Like, every time I hold it up to the camera, if you guys realize, there is a light that there it is, that light that blinks. I don't know what it is or what is the reason for it. I don't know, but anyways, I'm gonna look something to eat later.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Baby, wanted something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh.
Hey guys. Hi Shan. Hi. Hi mom. Hello. Okay. Okay, so I'm combing my hair right now. It's Tuesday, 9:07. I have a little break. So I'm gonna comb my hair and yeah, so wash my braids and also I'm just gonna start. Also washed my hair yesterday, so I got clean hair to comb. I didn't put anything at all in it because I didn't feel like it. Anyways, I'm gonna comb my hair. I'll see you guys after. Alright, hi guys. So it is currently 1:42 p.m. I have a class at 2. I don't know if they're gonna come, but yeah, this is where I am because I've had class from morning, so I had to like stop and teach and stop and teach, and it's stressing. But anyways, this is all I have done, but at least I just have like the sides and the back to do. I have this amount of braiding hair left, and then the middle part, you guys know, is going to be crushed, so I need to cane roll that and crush it out. So what's it called? So I have been just feeling a little bit anxious right now. Why? Because I have a lot of things to do and I keep forgetting what I have to do. So I'm gonna write down what I have to do so that I don't miss what I have to do. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys on the hair. Yeah, I think over here so do more than over here, so as in how I part it, but that's fine because yeah, that's just fine. I can't bother anymore. I just can't bother. And I'm sweating because it's hot. Anyways, bye guys. Good morning guys. So it is the 14th of October, and since my birthday I'm still struggling to upload my what I got for my birthday video. I decided not to do the party video, but I think I explained that in another video already. I'm not even sure. Guys, my videos are just all over the place right now. I really don't know what's happening, but yeah.
Hi, my name is Shakay. If you're new here, subscribe. Good morning.
Subscribe. Good morning. What's up?
She not got me with that.
Aww. I'm going to work, guys, and I'm not carrying her. If she ever touch anything over there, no, try to keep my bag. Put it down. Lean up back my bag. I'm gonna make things dash out of my bag.
not coming out of bed for the whole weekend.
Okay. So yes, guys. So I have been struggling right now. I'm trying to actually send the videos to my phone, which is gonna be hard because they're very large videos. They were long, so it's taking some time. But I'm gonna have patience because I want them to be done. I don't want to refilm them because I think the real reaction was in that video, you know. I'd be just faking the reaction afterwards like it's new, but so I'd prefer to have that video instead of like refilming it. So I'm trying my best to get this video up, but I've been busy, so that's why you guys are not getting it. So well, that's why you guys haven't gotten it yet. But yeah. So today we are actually gonna go to somewhere. I'm gonna start that vlog in a few. Right now this is just to add on to like the weekend vlogs or whatever I had. I don't remember what I had. I just have to like go through and see. I don't know.